In this module, we will discuss how to respond to people who ask you for money on the street or in other public locations. Panhandling is a way for people to try to get money from others. Especially common in big cities or densely populated areas, it involves a person stopping others on the street to ask for money. There are a lot of different circumstances that could lead an individual to engage in panhandling.
It's important to note that people engaged in panhandling are people with dignity and emotions, just like you and me. They deserve to be treated with respect. And while it may be uncomfortable or startling at first, especially if you've never encountered it before, panhandling is not illegal. But in Columbus and in many American cities, aggressive panhandling, or aggressive distribution, as it's called in the law, is not allowed. Aggressive panhandling includes touching someone, following someone after they decline to give money or another item of value, such as gas or food, standing within 3 feet of someone who is using an ATM. High Street is a common location for panhandling because of its density, constant foot traffic, and the number of students who may not be used to being asked to give money.
It's okay to decline giving money, whether the panhandling is passive or aggressive. Saying no does not mean you lack empathy or that you don't care. There are a variety of reasons you may not want to give money to someone who is panhandling, such as you prefer to donate to charitable groups, you don't have any money, or you feel intimidated.
Most times you decline to give money will be uneventful. You should appear confident, make eye contact with the person, politely decline, and be on your way. You might feel guilty, and this feeling is understandable. There are other ways that you can help those needing money and resources. The person who is panhandling will usually move on to the next person. Studies show that a small number of panhandlers account for most complaints to law enforcement.
But occasionally, the person who is panhandling can be aggressive or respond erratically. If this happens, there are steps you can take to respond, such as saying no again and attempting to enter a public area. If the person blocks your path, follows you, or takes other actions that make you concerned for your safety, call law enforcement immediately. Again, most of the time, saying no will not result in aggressive behavior. But if it does during your time at Ohio State, you should be prepared for how to respond.
And if you do want to give money, there are steps that you can take to help make giving money safer. Have your money ready to give. Don't dig through your wallet or purse. Do not agree to go to the ATM or to go somewhere else with the person panhandling.
Interacting with people who panhandle can be a new and unexpected experience. With these tools, you should be a little more prepared. If you have any questions, please reach out to University Police.